carry products for our customers that vary from home to cleaning products, to over-the-counter medications, to food, snacks, and even alcohol in certain markets. And so with 200 micro-fulfillment centers and servicing over 500 markets today, that's going to grow quickly, we're able to get you whatever you need in 30 minutes or less for a flat $1.95 fee. We really want to control the experience, and what that means is that we actually own the fulfillment experience. We have the fulfillment centers, and we actually take possession of the inventory before we resell it. So what that enables us to do is we can control the experience for the customer. That's how we can commit to delivery times. We bought BevMo not for the retail footprint in and of itself, but more as a platform for us to launch Gopuff. And so it's going to be really important that we understand how all of our businesses are performing. And so, as we think about having one ERP, it's going to make everything easier. It's going to make our close easier. It's going to make planning the business easier. And it's going to make ad hoc reporting on performance easier. BevMo has a dated ERP. We are currently in process of integrating the back end. That's clearly going to be a focus for us. It's really important for us that we have one single source of the truth across our enterprise, and we want to make sure that our front end and our back end are fully integrated. And so, you think about a big acquisition that's strategic for us in BevMo, we want to make sure that we're optimizing the value there. And so Oracle is going to be a key partner to us in that. Especially in my seat, you want to understand the why. You want to understand the KPIs that support the numbers. And so having your supply chain and having underlying KPIs all in one central repository and one single set of the truth obviously unlocks a ton of value as you think about what the financials mean and what the numbers mean. So having them all integrated is critical. There's been a ton of change in the last 18 months, and the next 18 months will be even more change, a lot of uncertainty. And planning for that's difficult. We're really excited to use the scenario modeling that Oracle's solution offers us. It enables us to really plan for positive outcomes or negative outcomes and be able to pivot very quickly. And so that's obviously a huge help for us. We're also bringing two very large entities together with disparate systems. And so there's enterprise data management that Oracle offers that'll help us really bring those things together. And then the last piece is really how do we think about integrating the back end? I think that's something that's in our future as we think about Oracle and it being a solution for us across our entire entity. So Oracle will be at the center of what we're thinking about in terms of future acquisitions for sure.